pretty good? Yeah, he's good, isn't it? No. Here. Here we go. Here, look. You do it. You do it, buddy. You do it. Can you taste it? Get another bite. Here, buddy. You do it. Try. Oops. Try, buddy. It's yummy. No. Oh. You don't like that, do you? No. Not so much. Okay, not so much, Mom. Avocado's out for a few weeks, at least, right? But say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?